welcome to another class of computer lesson. So how was your Christmas celebration? Did you enjoy well? Okay, I hope you all doing very well and I wish you a very happy new year. Okay, so let's start our class. Then in our previous class we have already started the 7th chapter, that is Microsoft Office PowerPoint, and we did some knowledge, or we have learned some knowledge, some information about this chapter. So what is presentation? So what is presentation? Presentation means presenting about a topic, presenting a topic about any subject, presenting to large number of audiences about a particular topic. That is presentation. So what is presentation? Presentation means presenting about a topic to a large number of audiences. For example, for a class, we have, I am telling something or some information, some knowledge to the all students. So that is the one way of presenting. That is oral presentation. Then visually presenting using a TV or a slide or a PowerPoint. So that is visual representation or presentation. Then any type of oral presentation, writing presentation, etc. So presenting means convey the information to large audiences. Convey the information or the knowledge or all about the things about any topic to large number of audiences is the presentation. So here the definition of presentation is, it is the act of presenting the contents of a topic to an audience. It is the act of presenting a content of a topic to a large audiences. For example, let's take an example, solar system. So the teacher tells the students that solar system, it contains 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, etc. That means it is one way of presentation, presenting about the solar system to the audiences. For example, here the audiences means students. So presenting a topic to a large audiences or large students, large group of people. That is the presentation. So now you understand. Now okay, you understood about the presentation. Next, here take an example. You can create a presentation on the topic tourist places in your city. So that's the question. So name some tourist places in your city and tell something about that places. For example, Tenmala or Idukki. So that's one of the tourist places. So in your locality we can say Tenmala. So say something about Tenmala. So it's a way of presenting a topic to others. Then in a movie, we have already known about cinemas or movies. So a movie consists of several scenes. Movie consists of several scenes. Means collections of scenes to make a movie. Similarly, in our presentation, we can divide the parts. For example, solar system. It's the topic. And solar system consists of sun and 8 planets. Yes. So we can divide this topic into 8 or 9. So first one, sun. Then next, Mercury. Then Venus. Then Mars, etc. That means our topic is divided into some subdivisions. So each of the topic contains main information. For example, sun. Sun is a star. So such type of information will be written on first division. So each of the division has its own information. So we can say the presentation can be divided into presentation slides. Presentation slides. presentation slides. Then each slide contains text, graphics, audio and video required to convey the information. So each slide contains what are they? Text, graphics, audio, video, etc. So that means these are the things helps to convey the information to the people. So these type of media or multimedia helps the audiences to convey the information about that topic, right? So what is the use of adding text or graphics or videos, etc.? That means these are the things which helps the audiences or the people or a group of people to convey information, to get information, to obtain the information in a simple way and a understandable way. So now we use the one presentation. Okay. So what are the things? Text, graphics, audio, video. Yes. Then, so a presentation software named PowerPoint. What is the presentation software name? PowerPoint. PowerPoint means it is the presentation software and that provides facility to create slides with content which includes text, pictures, audio and video. So Microsoft Office PowerPoint is a presentation software, so which is developed by the company named Microsoft. So who developed Microsoft PowerPoint? Who developed MS PowerPoint? Who developed? Microsoft developed MS PowerPoint. Then what is its use? It is used to create slides. We already discussed about slides. Means we can divide a topic into subtopics and each subtopics can be included in a slide. So we can say that a presentation consists of different slides. So such slides are included in the PowerPoint with text, graphics, audios and videos. So that means we can include the text, audios, videos, graphics, etc. Then PowerPoint is a part of a Microsoft Office suite and it is the most popular software used to make presentations today. So one of the most popular presentation software is PowerPoint. So now I think you understood well. So what is presentation? Second one, what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint means it is a presentation software that provides facility to create slides. Okay, so once again, next is presentation. Create slides and create create slides 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 to create slides to provide facility provide facilities facilities to add text, audio, images or pictures and video. Okay. Next is opening Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Here there are different versions of Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So here we will use the MS Office PowerPoint 2007. MS Office PowerPoint 2007. MS Office PowerPoint 2007 is used. That's the version used or is the version we are going to learn about. And then how to open MS PowerPoint 2007. So simple, we know we have already discussed about Word, Paint, that type of MS PowerPoint 2007. So there are some steps to open this presentation software. Here we discussing about what? We discussing about MS PowerPoint. So what are the steps to open MS PowerPoint? So question is, what are the steps to open PowerPoint? Simply 4 steps as that of, same as like that of what? Word. How to open a Word software? We have already discussed about Word software, right? MS Office Word. So how to open a Word software? Simply first click start button, then next all program, then accessories, then MS Office, then MS Office Word, right? So similarly in our MS PowerPoint the same way. What? First start button, then all programs, then accessories, then what? MS Office PowerPoint. Sorry, start button, all programs, MS Office, then MS Office PowerPoint. So look here, first start button. So here look, steps for opening PowerPoint. Steps 4, F-O-R 4, opening, O-P-E-N-I-N-G, opening PowerPoint, that is MS Office PowerPoint 2007. PowerPoint 2007. Okay, so what are the steps? First, click start button. So C-L-I-C-K, click start button, S-T-A-R-T, start, then B-U-T-T-O-N, button. So click start button, that is the first step. First step is click start button. Then second step, click all programs. So C-L-I-C-K, click, then A-L-L, all, then P-R-O-G-R-A-M-S, programs. So second step is click all programs. Then third step, so this is the first step and this is the second step, this is the third one. So what is the third step here? Click start button, click all programs, then click Microsoft Office, Microsoft Office, that is click MS Office, click MS Office, O-F-F-I-C-E, MS Office. Then last step, from the MS Office we can select which one? MS Office PowerPoint. So select or click MS Office PowerPoint, MS Office PowerPoint. These are the 4 steps for opening PowerPoint, the version 2007. Okay, so here look at the page number 68. Click on the start button, point to all programs, click on Microsoft Office, then click on the Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. So after performing all the 4 steps, a screen will open. What happens? A screen will open. That is a blank screen. From there we can add slides. From there we can add slides. So here a blank screen of PowerPoint will open in front of you. After doing these steps, then you can see the components. So next we are going to discuss about components of MS Office PowerPoint. So next is what? Components of MS Office PowerPoint. So moving to next topic, the title is Components of MS Office PowerPoint. Components of MS Office PowerPoint. MS Office PowerPoint 2007. PowerPoint 2007. So let's see what are the components. So look here. So this is the blank screen and here we can see the first button. The first button. It is known as Office button. What is its name? Office button. So what is the first button? Office button. O-F-F-I-C-E, Office. The Office button. Then next, in the office button, you can click open, save, print commands. So let me tell you the first important components, and then after we can explain one by one. So first, office button. Second button name is tab. T-A-B, tab. So what is the second button? Second component? Tab. What is the second component? Tab. What is the spelling? T-A-B. Third one, ribbon. So third one is another component, that is ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N. Ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N. Ribbon. So the third component is ribbon. And the fourth one is slide area. Fourth one, slide area. S-L-I-D, slide. A-R-E-A, area. A-R-E-A. So fourth one is slide area, office. So to question, what are the components of MS Office PowerPoint? Or another way, name some components present in MS Office PowerPoint. What are they? Office button, tab, ribbon, slide area. Office button, tab, ribbon, slide area. Then another component name is placeholder. So number 5, placeholder. P-L-A-C-E, place. H-O-L-D-E-R, holder. Placeholder. So the fifth component name is placeholder. So name some components of MS Office PowerPoint. What are they? Office button, tab, ribbon, slide area, placeholder. So then let me discuss about one by one. So first component is office button. So now tell me, what is office button? Office button contains some commands. Office button contains some commands. What are the commands? Yes, save command, open command, print command, etc. So commonly used commands are present in office button. So first one, office button. So it contains commonly used commands. What are the commonly used commands? Yes, save. S-A-V-E, save command. Then open, O-P-E-N, open command. Then print, etc. These are the commands present in where? Office button, right? Okay. So next one is tab. Another component name is what? Tab. Then we already learned about tab in MS Word. So what is tab? So tab means there are different types of tab present in Word, MS PowerPoint, etc. Insert tab, home tab, page layout tab, format tab, references, etc. So can you give some examples? Yes, home, then insert, next format, design, etc. So these are the examples of what? Tabs. Tab. So office button, it contains commonly used commands like save, open, print, etc. Then second one is tab. Tab contains some commonly used tabs like examples home, insert, format, design. Then another component is ribbon. What is the third component? Ribbon. Ribbon means it is the central place for operating all these buttons or components. It is the central place. So look here, there is a red mark or red outline marked in this picture. So that is the place of ribbon. So ribbon is the red rectangular area. This is known as what? Ribbon. So ribbon means it gives you all the options to work on the PowerPoint. Gives you all the options to work from a single area. So you can get the home page or home tab, insert tab, formatting, design, etc. from a single area. It is known as which component? Ribbon. Gives you all options. What is its feature? Gives you all options. Gives you all options. Then next is slide area. Slide area means what? Here look at this picture. This is the big working space. Yes, this is the big working space, and in the middle you can see there are some slide elements such as pictures, charts, tables, etc. So you can insert picture from here, creating table from here, etc. So here this is the big space is known as what? Slide area. So slide area means big working space, and in the middle where you can add what? Slide elements such as text, pictures or charts, tables, etc. So the fourth component is slide area, big working space, big working space, big working space, and in the middle you can add slide elements. So what are the slide elements? SLIDE, slide elements, ELEMENTS, elements. Slide elements means pictures, tables, then charts, clip arts, etc. Yes, or word art, etc. These are the slide elements. Then fifth one is placeholder. So placeholder is the place where we can add our content. So the content you added in where? Placeholder. So the placeholder is a dashed border. Dashed border means a rectangular area surrounded by a dotted lines, that is known as dashed border. So the area within a dashed border is placeholder, from where you can insert the elements. Insert the elements means you can add pictures or text or any other content, video, audio, etc. So these are the main components present in what? Where? MS PowerPoint. So once again, first office button. Office button means it's one of the component, and it contains the commonly used commands like save, open, print. Then second one is tab. Tab means which contains the main important tabs: home tab, insert tab, format tab, design tab. The next is ribbon. Ribbon means it is the central place, or here central place area. It gives all the options to work on the slide. Then fourth one is slide area, and slide area means is a big working space, and in the center you can see the slide elements like text, pictures, then adding clip arts, word arts, tables, charts, etc. Then fifth one, placeholder. Placeholder is the place where you can add your contents, and it is a dashed border or dotted lines. Dashed border or dotted lines or rectangular area which is surrounded by a dotted line. So that is the placeholder. So these are the main components. So look at the picture, page number 69. How is MS, so there is a question, quiz. How is MS Word different from MS Office PowerPoint? So can you tell me this question? How this answer? How is MS Office Word different from MS Office PowerPoint? What is the difference between Word and a PowerPoint? So tell me about this. What is the difference between Word and a PowerPoint? Yes, both are developed by Microsoft company. And what are the differences? Yes, what is the use of MS Word? First, we know MS Word is used to create documents. Yes, MS Word is used to create documents. But here MS PowerPoint is used to create slides. And the common thing is it contains some tabs. That means home tab, insert tab, etc. So both of these applications contain some tabs for performing the work on that software or application. And then the main components are almost same in MS PowerPoint and MS Word, but it is used, MS Word is used to create documents PowerPoint. If you want to create a document, you can go to MS Word. Then next is how to open MS Word and how to open MS Office PowerPoint. How to open MS Word? First start button, then click all programs, then MS Office, then MS Office Word. Same as that of MS Word. We can start MS Office PowerPoint using the steps: start, click button, start all programs. Then next third step is click on Microsoft Office. Then fourth one, click Microsoft Office PowerPoint version 2007. Then presentation means it is the presentation software. Then what do you mean by presentation software? That means presenting about a topic to the large audiences. Presenting a topic to a large audiences. So here PowerPoint, and it is the way to presenting a topic about a large audiences. Then next is title bar. So one more thing, title bar. One of the component. Sorry, sixth one, title bar. TITLEBAR. So title bar means which represents the name of the slide or name of the document. So here PPT or PowerPoint, which so here the title bar represents the name of the document. Name of document. So once again, what are the things we have learned today? At first, about presentation. So the definition is, a presentation is the act of presenting the contents of a topic to an audience. Then a movie consists of several scenes. Similarly, a presentation consists of several slides. Then PowerPoint, presentation making software that provides facility to create slides with content which will include text, pictures, audios, videos, etc. Then next, how to open PowerPoint. Then here look at the picture. This is office button and the tab, slide area, placeholder. So the rectangular or red border which represents what? Ribbon, which gives you all the options to work on the slide. Then this is the placeholder at the middle of the slide area. You can see click to add title means if you want to add title, just click on here and then enter the word or the text using keyboard. So you can click here. Then next is, if you want to add subtitle, just add the subtitle here. That means this is a content and a title slide. So later we will discuss about different layouts of slides, but just remember here, click to add title. So these are the two placeholders. First one to add the title and the second one to add subtitle. So the important components, first one title bar, it represents the name of document. Second one ribbon, so it gives you all the options from a single work area. Then third one slide area. Slide area is the big working space and in the middle where you add slide elements such as text, then pictures, animations and sound. Then fourth one placeholder. It is the place where you can add the contents and insert elements. It's called a placeholder. On a slide you can enter elements like a text, pictures and by tables using the placeholders. So these are the things we discussed today. So let's wind up this class. We will continue later with another topic. Thank you.